Hi guys, Mike in the Woods here. So today I thought I'd bring you a video for more casual campers who are looking to go to the next level, which is backwoods camping. It can seem a bit daunting to people who have never been camping out in the backwoods before, where there's, no store to buy firewood from, and your campsite is pretty much wherever you want it to be. So to help you out, I made this list of what I believe to be 5 beginner backwoods camping hacks to make camp life easier. Number 1, buttoning. Sometimes while camping, or in a survival situation, you have to make a shelter, and all you have is a tarp or sheeting that has no holes or grommets. Cutting out holes is a bad idea, as you create a structural weakness, and you'll likely cause it to tear when you tie it up. Instead, you want to take a small pebble, twig, or even sand. Pinch off your shelter material around it and tie it off. You now have a stable tie down on your shelter material without risking its structural integrity. Number 2, using a lanyard to hang tools. So picture this, you're out at camp and you want to keep your tools elevated off the ground and nice and organized so they're easy to grab. So you take a piece of paracord, twine, or string and tie it taut between 2 trees, 2 branches, or even a solid branch itself can serve us for this purpose. Then, for any tool you want to hang, tie a lanyard to it that's at least as long as the tool itself, preferably a bit bigger. Wrap one end of the lanyard around your hang line, then put your tool through the wrapped around section so that the lanyard loops itself as shown here. As your tool dangles, your lanyard will cinch itself down and create a simple and effective way to hang your tools. Number 3, dryer lint as tinder. So you're about to go camping and you need to grab some good tinder. Look no further than your dryer. Dryer lint compacts down when stored and fluffs up quite nicely to take a spark. Just be sure to let it burn completely away before cooking food on your fire. Number 4, smoke to drive away bugs. Camping in the backwoods during the summer can bring out all the bugs. Mosquitoes, black flies, deer flies, horse flies, and all the other fun ones. To drive away the bugs, make a very smoky fire. Smoke drives bugs away. Use greens and damp wood to create as much smoke as you possibly can. Additionally, stand in the smoke, being careful not to breathe it in, to cover yourself in the smell. You'll notice less bugs bothering you. Number 5, use dry, dead wood for campfires. Not only is it a waste of a healthy living tree, but cutting down live trees for firewood is ineffective. They're still filled with water and much harder to cut down. There's lots of dead wood around, most of it already fallen over for you. It's much drier, easier to process, and makes much better firewood overall. Try to find fallen trees that are elevated from the ground, as they're the likeliest to be dry. And that's my list. If you have any other hacks you'd like to see in a future video, by all means I'd love to hear them. And if you have any corrections or additional information based on what I've stated in this video, I'd love to hear that as well. So put that in the comments below. And as always, I gotta pester you to like, subscribe, and all the other fun stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.